population ecology. As we have said in earlier classes, population ecology is the study of organism with its interrelationship with the surrounding environment, right? With that, we are supposed to study the ecology of the population in which a particular organism is living. So, what is population ecology here? Population ecology is nothing but it is the study of the size and distribution of both and animal and plant organisms. And along with the size and distribution, we will also study about all the other biological processes which it is undertaking when it is living in a particular environment. So, that type of study where we are talking about the size, distribution and other biological processes and any changes it is undergoing and how those changes are affecting itself and the environment. So, these all will be studied about in the population ecology. So, basically what we are studying here, we are studying about the size, distribution and other biological processes. So, population ecology is nothing but a quantitative method, quantitative approach or quantitative method of analyzing the. So, population ecology can be considered as a quantitative approach. Here we will be doing all the mathematical level of estimations. Now, here what is population? When we come for the definition, first one is population. We divide the population ecology into two. First is population and is ecology. So, ecology, what we said, eco means the house or the study of area where the particular organism is living. So, what is population here? As we studied in earlier class, population is nothing but a group of individual of the same species living in a particular area, group of individual belonging to the same species living in a particular area. For example, human beings are there, these belong to the same species, human being race, and they are living in a particular area. Group of cats living in a particular area. So, a group of cats belong to same species, then they are called as population of cats. Group of dogs or group of flowering plants, group of seed phanerogams, cryptogams. So, like that is population and ecology. Now, for example, we are talking about population ecology, then in this regard, what is example is group of frogs living in a lake can be also taken as a criteria for study of population ecology. Presence of teak trees in the deciduous forest, these all can be, or occurrence of monkeys in a particular area, occurrence of sandalwood trees in a particular area or in a particular forest. So, all these can be taken as an example when we are taking into consideration the population ecology. Now, when we are talking in population ecology, we are supposed to study in a bunch of group. In groups we are taking into consideration all the characters. So, when we cannot consider the density or volume or the size or the age distribution of a particular individual. When we are talking in terms of population, we are talking about a group of people or group of individuals of the same species. But when we are taking into consideration an individual species or a single species, we cannot study the age, we cannot study the if you are talking in terms of individual species, we cannot take into consideration its density, its volume, its size. Though it is born and it is living and it is occupying certain area or space on the land. You got my point. Now, here we are supposed to talk in terms of population. So, in populations we will take into consideration certain characters like the birth rate, the death rate, the immigration and the emigration. So, what are the characteristics when we are studying population ecology? We consider that is the birth of the particular population, the death of that particular population, the immigration. There are two words here, immigration and emigration. Now, these are the basic processes which determine the size of the population. Okay. These will be the basic criteria with which we can say that in a group of population, what is the particular size of the population, what is the rate of birth rate, what is the mortality rate, how many are going out of that population in a particular area and how many are being emigrated, which are sending out, or how many new birds or new individuals are coming in in a particular area to increase the size of the population. Now, when we are studying about, there is a word called as population dynamics. Now, in population dynamics, what you will study? You will study about how and when. Now, what is population dynamics? This is a term where we will study how the population is changing and when these particular changes are occurring. So, anything when it occurs between how a population and when the population size changes, then that type of study or detailed study, how and when the population size changes, is considered as population dynamics. Now here, when we are now after this we will study about what are there are some basic characteristics of population ecology. When we are talking about a population, we have to take into consideration certain characters with which we can say that okay, because of these criteria we are considering that in a particular area a particular population is being increased or decrease. There is some this percentage of migration and immigration. This is the percentage of mortality and natality, right?